Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and today I'm going to talk about if it is worth buying the iPhone 11 in 2021, or is it just worth buying the iPhone 12 or something like iPhone 12 mini. So guys, it has been a quite a long time, like almost 1.5 years since this particular phone was released, and it was one of the fastest phone by Apple at the time of its release, guys. So the thing with this particular phone, I'd been using for a very long time, and till date I can say it is one of the best phones available in the market for the price range. And on Flipkart you will be getting around 45,000 in India, and I think that makes this a value deal. Value deal is the reason why I'm saying, guys, is because for this particular price range you don't get any other iPhone. So if you are planning to buy an iPhone, I think this is the best time to get it. But please note that Apple must have removed the accessories like the charger and the headphones from the particular box. So as you can see, guys, this is an LCD screen and it is not looking that bad, guys. It is one of the best LCD screens available in the market, and you can see the blacks even they are a bit deeper over here, and you get all these particular software updates and everything is working butter smooth, guys. And again, guys, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and also like this particular video if you want to see further videos like this. Also, I just want to tell you that I've been using after this 9 months. My battery capacity is still 100%, although I'm like sort of a moderate user, so you won't be having any other issues with this particular thing. And the battery is lasting for the entire days, guys. And I would say, in my particular opinion, it is having a better battery life compared even to the iPhone 12. And the price difference between the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 11 in India, at least it is right now for the sale, it is approximately 30 plus. So I think for 13 sorry 45 price range, you'll be getting the iPhone 11, and for around 75 or more, you'll be getting the iPhone 12. And even if you see the camera, guys, there is not much of a difference between the camera and all. So most of the videos which I've been shooting on this particular channel, guys, are all shot on iPhone 11, and only few videos like this it is shot on iPhone 12 mini. So I would say, guys, this had been my primary device when it comes to shooting and all, and you all know the quality of it, there is just no match for it. And I'd been using this continuously, this particular phone, so which is roughly giving me around more than like around 5 hours at an average of battery life. So if your battery life is the highest priority, guys, this is the phone to get it. And I would say even battery and other stuff, it's quite good, even it is very fast, guys. Just because you are getting since I know the OLED is much more better on the iPhone 12, but I would say if you don't want that flickering effect, etc., on your device, I would 100% suggest anybody to go with this iPhone 11, guys. And I'd been getting all the software update, etc. But recently I've not updated my software because there is a bug with the latest one, that 14.4.2, and this is how it looks. Everything is working great, guys. Even the call reception is much more better compared to the previous phone like iPhone 10R. So if you like this particular video, guys, please hit that particular like button and share this video with those your friends who want to buy the iPhone 11. And this is it, guys. Please get the iPhone 11, it's the best deal. And thanks for watching my video, guys, and see you in my next video.